Your stomach growls when you're hungry. That's not actually why. The sound has a name. Borborygmi. It's gas and liquid being squeezed through your gut. Your intestines are always doing this. Always. After a meal, food muffles it. You just don't hear it. Empty. There's nothing to absorb the noise. So it echoes. Haven't eaten in 2 hours? A cleaning wave starts. It sweeps leftover food and bacteria down and out. Scientists call it the housekeeper wave. The growl is the broom. So it's not a hunger alarm. It's your gut cleaning house. Eating stops it. Food muffles the sound. Follow for more body facts.